Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and going straight to your profile. Do that now. Once the profile is visible, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left to expand settings and friend tools. You want to locate Add Friends and the My Friends list. These are the gateways to follower info. Make sure you're on the correct account. If you have multiple, switch now. This step prepares the app interface so you can check followers quickly and accurately. Once done, tap My Friends to see your established contacts and relationships. This tells you who you follow and who follows you back. Then open Added Me to see pending requests and recent followers. This is where new connections appear. Make sure to use the search bar for specific usernames and scan for snap scores or display names if you need confirmation. If someone is not in either list, they may be a follower who enabled private settings. Keep that in mind. To finish, manage entries in Added Me by accepting those you want as friends, accept to convert followers into mutual friends, or decline to leave them as one-way followers. Make sure to check your privacy and visibility settings if follower counts seem off, because some users can follow without showing on lists. If you don't see expected followers, clear the app cache, update Snapchat, or log out and back in. These fixes resolve most sync problems quickly. One troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.